Hello, today let's talk about hub oil seal. This product made of rubber and metal, and the product size is internal diameter is 78 and external diameter is 151 and the sink is 5. This product has with a spring and it has manifold features. The first one is with longer service life, good abrasion resistance, high temperature resistance, and good structure, aging resistance, oil leakage prevention, and mud and poor water, thickened spring and thickened skeleton. This product is applicable to ISUZU heavy truck, and this OEM number is AT0990, applicable to machinery, engineering, equipment processing, industry, sealing of transmission system, of agricultural machinery and engineering machinery. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.